Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and in today's video, I will show you how you can set a song as a ringtone on your iPhone. In this video, I will show you how you can set any song as a ringtone, and don't worry, because you don't need to use a computer, you can do the whole process from your device. If you want to know more tricks like these, make sure to subscribe to this channel. To get started, go to the App Store and you're going to download two apps. Type Ringtone Maker. And you're going to download this app. Then go for the next application called GarageBand and download it. This app may take a little longer to download, but I assure you that the result will be worth it. Once you've downloaded both apps, you're going to open the first app you downloaded. Tap on the plus icon, and this menu will be displayed. This application lets you import ringtones from your PC, from files, from your videos, or directly from your music library. Here, you are going to select the method you prefer to import your song. In this video, I will be importing the song directly from the music library. Tap on Start Import and choose the song you want to use. After importing the song, tap on this icon and choose the option Make Ringtone. The only thing you are going to do in this section is cut the song so that the part you want is played. You can use this button to set when the ringtone starts, and this button to indicate when it ends. The maximum duration should be 30 seconds. When you have finished, tap on Save and give the ringtone a name. Now you are going to tap on this icon again. Choose the option Make Ringtone. And tap on this icon. This menu will be displayed, and here you will select the second application that you downloaded, GarageBand. Once in this app, press and hold on the ringtone that you just imported and select the Share option. Then choose Ringtone. If your ringtone has a duration of more than 30 seconds, you may see this warning. Tap on Continue. Here you can change the name of your ringtone. Then tap on Export. The ringtone would already be installed on your device. Now select this option and choose Standard Ringtone. Now when someone calls you, this ringtone should play. If not, go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, tap on Ringtone, and choose your ringtone. If you use the same process, you can do this as many times as you want. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.